So there you go. This is our vegetable salad or spinach salad. So
Kusina de Yagers.
hello, what's up, Yagers? This is me, Kusina de Yagers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be updated to my new upload. So for today's vlog, I'm going to make a vegetable salad or a spinach salad. So these are all the ingredients. Just we have the spinach. I already take all the stems, and this is only the leaves. We have sliced apple. I'll use green apple for this one. We also have sliced tomato, and we have sliced cucumber. We also have sliced red bell pepper. This will add more taste on this ingredient. And we also have grated there's this carrots, and of course we have sliced boiled egg. So let's make a vegetable salad or a spinach salad. Okay guys, so let's have an empty container. I have to put gloves, hand gloves. So all we have to do is to put all together. This is the lettuce. Actually, this will be my lunch and my snacks. So first layer is the spinach leaves. Then I have to put, you have to put only in layering on this sliced vegetables and fruits. Then I have to put tomato. This is easy, just preparations. I have to put a cucumber. So then we have the red bell pepper. Red bell pepper is, I love the taste of this one. It's so crunchy and a little bit sweet. Then this is our first layer, and our second layer we have to put again this spinach leaves. You can also, if you don't have spinach, if there is no available spinach in your area, you can use also lettuce for this. Then I have to add this sliced apple again for the second layer. There is supposed to be, I have to mix all the ingredients, but the thing is, because I will not eat this as of this time, because I have to bring it in our office. This will be for my lunch, so I have to prepare it first. And so this is just an easy preparations, guys. All you have to do is to mix or to put it in a layer. Then so here is it, guys. Again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be updated to my new upload. So, and last thing is we have to put a sliced egg for our toppings. This will serve as your meat. Because as of this time, I'm on a diet. I have to reduce my weight because I'm gaining weight during my vacation, so I have to badly need to lose weight. I'm getting obese, guys. So here is it. Put only whatever designs you made, because this is a lunch box. I already actually this ingredients I already prepared this one earlier so that it will be easy to prepare. So there you go. This is my lunch. This is our vegetable salad, spinach salad, or vegetable salad or spinach salad. So either you have to put lemon or what, but in my case I have here, I still have here Italian salad dressing, so I'm gonna use this one to put puree on this salad that I made. Again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be updated to my new upload. And if you do like this video, just please share it to your Facebook wall and to your messengers and to your friends, and let them subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again, and thank you for watching. See you again on my next vlog.